Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 29th of August, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any essential updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Utilize the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 22nd of August in 2024, our system has ranked SOXL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 6.77. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock encountered a loss of negative 3.52%. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.59% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper part of a wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $39.17 will first indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 40.7% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 68.22% to a decrease of 35.81%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential increase of 93.09% over the upcoming 12 months, with possible returns between 51.99% and 293.55%. This translates to a price range of $55.01 to $142.42 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF downgraded from sell candidate to strong sell candidate after the Thursday trading session. The price of the sell ETF decreased by 1.12% on the last day, Thursday, the 29th of August, 2024, dropping from $36.60 to $36.19. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 9.28%, ranging from a low of $35.63 to a high of $38.93. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in a decrease of 9.34% for this period. The volume increased on the last day by 9 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could indicate an early warning, and the risk may slightly rise over the next few days. In total, 96 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.47 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.01. Currently, the price is 48.36%, or $33.89, below the 52-week high, and 90.43%, or $342.05, below the all-time high on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Recent developments surrounding SOXL, the leveraged exchange-traded fund focused on semiconductors, reveal a blend of cautious optimism and significant risks. After doubling in value from April to June, SOXL has since faced a steep decline, dropping approximately 52%. Despite this pullback, the semiconductor sector remains appealing to investors, particularly amid the ongoing artificial intelligence boom, which has led many semiconductor stocks, including giants like NVIDIA, to become attractively priced. As capital flows into leveraged exchange-traded funds increase, With inflows of $2.4 billion recently, SOXL stands at a crossroads. The fund offers heightened exposure to semiconductor trends, but it also magnifies volatility and risk, especially with external factors like the yen carry trade causing market fluctuations. This volatility exacerbates the potential for accelerated decay, making SOXL a high-risk investment in the short term. Longer-term performance hinges on the recovery of the semiconductor sector and sustained interest in AI-driven technologies. If the market stabilizes and investors regain confidence, SOXL could experience substantial upside. However, the current environment suggests a careful approach, as short-term trends may heavily influence SOXL's price movements. Overall, investors should weigh the high-reward potential of SOXL against the backdrop of volatility and market corrections within the semiconductor industry. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The SOXL ETF is currently showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. There is also a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $38.33 and $41.02. A breakout above any of these prices will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, and thus far, it has declined by 13.28%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, closer monitoring of the ETF is advised. Here are some additional signals you may find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence, bullish signal. Pivots, bearish signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands, bullish signal from 96 days ago. Short-term moving average, bearish signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, bearish signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a bullish signal from 30 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, bullish signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, bearish signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a bullish signal from 18 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL identifies support from accumulated volume at $35. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is categorized as very high risk. In the previous day, the ETF fluctuated $3.31 between its highest and lowest points, representing an increase of 9.28%. Over the last week, the ETF has exhibited an average daily volatility of 9.01%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $37.51. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $35. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and a stop-loss order has not been established. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Currently, SOXL is showing several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. Given certain minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate since the last review. After examining the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 30th of August, we expect SOXL to open at 72.5 cents and begin trading at $36.92. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a beautiful day. With regards from everyone here at StockInvest.